So hey guys, welcome to my another video. In this video, we will be unboxing Mivi Thunderbeats wireless earphone and I will tell you is it worth to buy it or not. So let's begin. First of all, let's see the specs of this wireless earphone. So it provides high definition of sound, powerful driver which produces solid bass with thumping effect. We can play it up to 7 hours at 70% of volume. It is sweat proof, it has ergonomic design to fit properly. It has magnetic locking system for convenience and noise cancellation, and finally it has Bluetooth 5.0 which produces up to 30 feet of connectivity to your device. So let's begin with the unboxing. On top we get this warranty card which claims up to 1 year of warranty for this product. Below is the main unit. So let's unhook this. Below it, in this package we get many extra ear tips of various sizes which you can try according to your needs, and a USB to micro USB cable to charge this earphone. Underneath we get a user manual which tells us how to use this product and various features of the multifunction buttons. Moving towards the main unit, we get a metallic body for the speakers which therefore becomes a strong cabinet, and also it gives a premium look, provided with a magnetic locking system. There are two volume control buttons, up and bottom, and the middle one is a multifunction button which works for power on off, pairing and for Google Assistant. On the back side, the Mivi logo is placed. The quality of the wire is pretty awesome, and also it is intangible flat wire. And as you can see, the speakers are in-ear type which actually blocks a lot of outer noise and gives you a great experience of music. For pairing your device, you have to press and hold the middle power button until the LED blinks red and blue. After that, you have to select Mivi Thunderbeats on your phone, and yeah, the earphone is now paired. Now talking about the price, I got these earphones for ₹1299 on Amazon, but during festival its price gets reduced and you can get it around ₹1000. Now according to my opinion, it is best deal for such a good price. The sound quality is awesome and the bass is mind-blowing. It is very loud and strong bass. I personally like is the thumping effect which the earphone delivers. So that's it for this video guys. If you found it useful, press the like button, share it and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, bye.